decided to stop at the fruit farm. We had passed it on the way and decided to circle back. So we're going to do a guided tour, and then it didn't last very long. We have little stickers for our tour, and Jimmy's just fell right off. Guided tour, and then we get a fresh juice and a sample platter from the counter back there. Would he pay over here?
We have from the counter, we can pay from the counter.
Okay.
Thank you.
One number is 1 tree.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. So it's just two of us.
Yeah, not bad. We've got our own little private tour right now. We're just starting off in the trucks, and they are taking us up to the farm.
Yeah, please come down. This is our first station. We'll start from here. Mind your head, mind your head. Slowly come down.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, madam and sir. Welcome to the Tropical Fruit Farm. I'm your farm guide. My name is Rana. How are you?
Good.
Okay, thank you. Good.
That's nice. We have 200 different types of fruits from all over the world. All are tropical fruits. Maybe some of them you never tried before, you never see before.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful fruit. They belong to Malaysia. We say this one rose apple.
Oh, rose apple.
Why we call this one rose apple? When you smell the fruit, smell like a flower of rose. When you bite on the fruit, it's like crunchy, juicy. It's like apple. It's a rose apple. The color of this rose apple is yellow. You can shake it. Sometimes you say a musical apple. When you shake it, you can get the music because inside is one seed only.
Yeah, it's like the stone. The stone.
Yeah, you can smell this fruit. You smell and bite. You see inside of one seed only.
Smells different. It's nice though. Very nice.
This is very nice. We call this one rose apple.
It's delicious.
Yep.
So the taste is very unique. It's not very sweet like a normal apples, and not a very bad sweet. Low sweet, it's like a medium. This is very good for the people who have a low sugar problem.
Yeah.
They can eat this one, they become normal because of this apple. Look at this beautiful fruit, sir. Any idea about this fruit?
Yeah. Figs.
Yes, right. It's a fig. They come without flower. You see,
Yeah, they
all babies come out directly from the stem. You see,
Yeah.
they're not flower, they are figs.
Huh.
Flowers. And these flowers are male and female. They need a pollination.
Right.
Who go inside and do a pollination?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, you know very well about the figs.
I only know that.
Actually, very famous about the figs. When you're eating figs, actually you're eating insects, dead insects inside. This one, the whole fruit is edible. You just try so. You see. Yeah. The fig. We are growing here 2 types of figs.
Yeah.
This one is a black color one is a Turkish fig.
Yeah.
Smell the flowers and look at the beautiful fruits. Try to guess the name of this fruit. Look like what?
Lime.
That's true, it's a lime. But this lime, they come from China. They become special with mixture of lime and orange.
Oh wow.
And they're very easy to peel off the skin. The beauty of this lime, you can peel off the skin of this one. When you peel off the skin, you will realize, it's like orange.
Yeah.
The taste of this fruit is very strong sour. Texture like an orange, taste like a lemon. They call calamansi.
Calamansi.
Yeah. And here in Malaysia, we call kasturi.
Yeah.
Okay, one more beautiful fruit from Malaysia. You can smell this flower. Be careful, they have spikes also. You smell the flowers.
Yeah. Mild smell. Yeah.
Is it familiar?
Is it like a?
It's like, what smell is this?
I don't know what the smell is.
It's a jasmine.
Ah.
Jasmine?
Jasmine flower smell.
Huh.
Any idea what is this?
I have no clue.
Some kind of berry.
It's a lime.
This is a lime?
That's a lime.
Yes,
No,
this is a
it's
lime.
not.
One more lime. We call this one jasmine lime.
Jasmine lime.
And the interesting thing of this lime, the red lime, the no taste, what do you call, no juice inside.
Okay.
When you cut this lime, no juice, only 1 or 2 drops of gum. It's like a sticky lime, you see?
Oh yeah.
It's like a sticky
Yeah.
lime. Look at this brown fruit, sir. It's something like a sugar texture.
Yeah, not my favorite.
Not your favorite?
Nah.
Too sweet?
Yeah.
Too sweet, right?
I like that.
You like that? You have to finish it.
Yeah.
Well, no worry, we have a what's the magic fruit for you? I would think sour becomes sweet for you.
Really?
Yeah. But both of you can enjoy the sweet and sourness.
Yeah.
You try some more?
Yeah,
You want to
okay.
finish it?
Yeah, I'll finish.
What do we call this one? Energy booster.
Energy because of the sugar.
Energy booster, yeah, because of the sugar. Okay, but this fruit is not good for who?
Animals.
Diabetics.
Diabetes. It's not good for diabetic, it's very sweet. Look at this beautiful fruit, sir. Full of flowers and fruits. You see this?
Yeah.
This one, the next tree, also the same tree.
Yeah.
Okay, this fruit is very expensive in most of the countries in the world. But this is our daily use kitchen item. I said, well, yeah, we normally use for breakfast.
For brekkie.
Yeah, any idea about this fruit?
Passion fruit.
No, it's a avocado.
Oh, it's an avocado.
Avocado. Look at this beautiful tree. When you focus on the leaves and the fruits, you will get the name of this fruit. They belong to very famous fruit in the world.
Oh, it's really
You
bright.
smell and tell me what will be the taste of this fruit, sweet or sour?
Smells sweet
Okay.
to me.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm going to say sour because he said most things were
Yeah.
sour.
Very, very sour. It's texture like a mango, taste like a lemon.
Mango
From
lemon.
South America.
Interesting.
It's very high in vitamin C. You eat 3 orange and 1 this fruit, the same vitamin C.
Oh wow.
It's very good for the scurvy problem.
Yeah.
The people who have a scurvy problem eat with sugar, eat with honey. That's very healthy for them. See the peel of the thin skin.
Oh, yeah. Very
You
good.
don't eat the skin.
Peel of the skin, and then get the texture is like a mango. So after eat this fruit, you make a video of your friends because after eat this fruit, your face will change.
Uh-huh.
You see what happened to him? Okay, you take a whole piece in your mouth and bite. See what happened? Still strong.
Tastes sour.
Very sour.
Oh, he's good with
It's
his
nice, though.
faces. You like that?
I like that, yeah.
Oh.
This
my
is
gosh.
very nice.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Okay.
Very juicy.
It's very juicy.
But yeah, it's
soft.
good.
Yeah,
afterwards.
something like this texture, yeah.
I can't control my face.
Then you can enjoy the whole fruit, sir. Inside there are a lot of seeds of this fruit have a lot of seeds. The
It
seed
does
all-
have a texture like a mango, though.
Yeah.
Similar to that, doesn't it?
Look at this beautiful fruit. You're lucky you get one fruit over here.
Oh wow.
Yesterday is not yet ripe. Today is ripe. We call this one kamu kamu. Kamu kamu come from Amazon forest. They start from the green color. The new one are the green. The next is black. Then we try. The same tree, kamu kamu.
Right.
When you focus on the leaf, you can get the name of this fruit.
It looks
Big green leaves.
like a, I don't know.
It's a passion fruit.
This
That's
is passion
passion.
fruit.
Yes,
right?
this is the passion fruit pie. And the flower of this fruit is very beautiful. This is a small flower, but as in a no more today the bloom one. The flower of this fruit open for 2 days only once a year. This is not a normal passion fruit you buy from the market like this
Yeah.
passion fruit. Normally we have this one. We have 2 colors of passion fruit. One is a red purple, one is a yellow color. We're growing in 2 types. This is another type. It's a giant passion fruit. One fruit size 1 kilo. Sometimes it is 2 kilo. Look at this beautiful fruit, sir. Look at this beautiful fruit, sir. We call this one water apple. And look at one more beautiful tree in the world. This is a miracle fruit.
Miracle.
Miracle fruit. When I give you this fruit, what you do, you just peel off the red skin. The whole red skin. Inside got a white flesh with black seed. Put it in your mouth, don't bite, don't swallow. Just suck for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the seed you spit it out. Then we try this fruit. Sour fruit becomes sweet. Lemon becomes sweet.
Yeah.
Every fruit in our garden
I
becomes
think I've seen it
sweet.
on TV.
No more sourness in your life.
That
Actually, this is a medicine from the diabetics, for the cancer patient, for the bitter medicines. You use a lot of uses of this fruit. After that, you try this fruit, you will see how they change the taste for your mouth.
How long does it last for?
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, as long as it's not hours. My dinner is sweet
Yeah, right. That's it.
Yeah. Yep. It's not sour anymore.
wow.
Yes, become nice. Even the lemon becomes sweet.
Yeah.
You want to try lemon? You can smell this lemon and just try. You smell and try the lemon. You see, can eat or not.
Yep. It's like a different.
Very nice taste.
No way. That is so crazy.
Yeah, it's a very different taste. You see, any fruit after that you try now, it become nice for you.
That's
Yeah.
wild. I like that.
Yeah, it's a protein inside the fruit. They
Yeah.
stick with your tongue for a
Yeah.
few minutes.
Yeah.
Then they turn every sour fruit to sweet.
Yep.
Look at this beautiful tree fruit.
Yeah, that's really nice.
You can. The smell is amazing. I love the smell.
Yeah.
Really
It's
nice.
very famous.
Huh.
Any idea?
No.
It's coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, it's a coffee tree.
Oh, wow.
And this is Arabica. You can see the leaves of this coffee tree. Look at this beautiful flower. We call this for the elephant ear.
Yes.
It's a yam. Look at this beautiful tree. Actually, the interesting thing, one more cinnamon. The outer tree, the outer skin is not a cinnamon. If you smell the tree, cannot smell cinnamon.
Just on the inside?
Yes, from the inside only is a cinnamon. It's a very interesting.
Keeps it for itself.
Look at this tree, sir. We are lucky we get this one. You see?
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Oh, yeah.
You can try it.
Yeah.
And you know, we also call this fruit a milk fruit.
See it there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the milk come out from this fruit.
Yeah.
You know what is this? This is latex.
A latex.
Yes.
Really?
This is the glue, you see? You put your fingers and you put your fingers like this for a few minutes. After cannot open anymore. The fruit is sticky. When you eat the fruits, you cannot speak anymore.
Oh.
So this is a very interesting fruit. Actually, the latex come from the skin only. Inner part is quite good.
Oh, wow.
That's why we call this one star apple.
Yeah.
Because of the star texture. The latex come from here.
Mhm.
When you touch your lips with the skin, then you can feel sticky. The best way you take a scoop and take out the fruit from inside. This one is no problem. You can try this one. Please, can you? Yeah, please, for you. Can you take the whole fruit?
Yeah.
It's nice taste actually.
That is really nice.
Yeah.
This is a very different taste from normal apples.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
No more pineapple from the same plant. Every time you need to grow a new plant for one fruit only.
Oh, wow.
It's a very. But
Can't you grow it from the crown though?
That's right. Yes, I'm going to ask. How you grow this fruit? Okay, good. It's a good answer. Yes, we could use the crown because pineapple don't have seeds,
Hmm.
so we use the crown. This is banana tree, but you look at the fruit.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know that one.
Yeah, it's a banana. We call this one seashell banana because they are
Yeah.
connected, something like that. You cannot separate. If you want to buy one banana, you cannot buy. You have to buy the whole family. It's like a party. Yes, right.
Yeah.
This is a star fruit. It's a very nice fruit in our garden. Once they ripe, it turn to a yellow color. Then you can
Yeah.
try this fruit. It's very nice.
Juicy.
Yeah, it's very juicy one.
Mm.
It's not something like apple texture.
Yeah.
We call it a star fruit. We call this one yellow mango seed. You see, the fruits are very yellow. They are ripened. They are ready to eat. See, the texture of the fruit is very nice, but very sour. Yeah, there's some fruits coming down as well. You can try this one, sir.
Monkey around there.
Yeah, monkey is also a big problem for us.
Are they?
Yeah, they're very naughty. The taste of this fruit is very nice. Sour, but very
Ooh.
nice.
Yeah, I like that.
Are you guys? That's nice. This is a yellow mangosteen.
Do the monkeys, do they eat the fruit or they just...
They eat the fruits.
Yeah.
They eat our sweet fruits.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful tree, sir. You can feel the smell also. It's very nice taste. Sweet for you. It's a fig. It's a different taste of normal figs.
Mhm.
It's because we call this one Turkish fig. This down this way. We mix with jasmine, we mix with lavender, and we have original coconut oil. It's very good for eczema, sunburn, mosquito bites. This juice we drink, we already collected over here. What's the benefit of this juice and what is the enzyme? Actually, enzyme is a protein. It's not a chemical. It's a protein from the fruits. Because it's just helping our bodies to work properly. The main problem in our body when we eat the food, they go to your stomach. Our stomach start digest right. The good food, the nice food, they digest. But the other, the bad food, is stick in our stomach walls. And this is a proper solution for them. They go to your stomach and kill that bad food. They just break down the foods, and that can flush out very easily. If you drink our enzyme every day, one day you become tiger.
Yeah, so these enzymes they fermented since 2018. And it's being ingredient, so it's safe. Apple, cran, pineapple as the base.
Oh, that's different, yeah.